Today we're going to look at this. T-brake. Hello again, Biz1970 here. Now in this little episode I need to change the gear stick knob on my Mondeo, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do. As you can see, the leather's completely worn through here to the plastic underneath, so it's time to change it. Here's a replacement part that I bought from eBay for about, I think it was £9 delivered. There it is. Nice, clean, shiny. Looks like a lovely part actually. So as you can see in here, there's a screw thread. So that means we unscrew the old one and we screw on the new one. The old part is certainly heavier than the new one. That's the new part all screwed on. Make sure it's pointing straight. And there we go. Old against new. Looks a lot better, and it's only a 2-minute job. Well, that's it from me for this episode and my dirty knob. If you've enjoyed it, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again really soon in another one of my episodes. Bye bye for now.